Timor was schizophrenic, unable to work as Timor had been working for 9 years as a cleaner, and her schizophrenia caused her to have to leave her job and go on governmental disability assistance. So there Timo was on assistance without a job. Luckily Timo had already had her own home and so was not left without something to do, but there was not enough food for her to eat. Timo had flatmates who paid rent, but they always were bad and Timo got rid of them, so was back to square one. Then all of a sudden Timo remembered that she loved gardening and so decided that it would be best to turn the whole quarter of an acre yard she owned into a veggie garden. She did that and now she has so much food, she doesn't know what to do, and all her money is now saved in her bank so she can do the things she loves.